Research Proposal Preparation and Presentation Tip Step-by-Step Guide. Number 1. Title or topic. No more than one slide. To ensure that your title, topic points are directly to the focus of your research, you have to check to see that key terms, in the statement of the gap, in the literature, and in the research aim are reproduced in the title or topic. Number 2. Research problem or justification. 1 to 2 slides. Description of your research. What issue, problem, controversy, or important matter has led to research on the topic, and set your research into the wider context of the discipline. Why, how, the research needs to be done. Number 3. Gap, in the literature. 1 to 4 slides. Outline the field of literature and the gap, the main findings to date, theories, debates, and remaining questions within the literature. Explain how the research will contribute or fill the gap. Number 4. Research aim, objective, question, or hypothesis. 1 slide. Outline the focus or names of specific knowledge the research methodology aims to generate. Developing a plan takes time to conduct research. What will you need to know to answer the research question? How can you find this out? Methodology, qualitative or quantitative. How will the data be collected? Number 5. Research method and methodology. 1 up to 5 slides. Explains what you will do to achieve the research aim or reach your conclusions. List and clarify resources such as how much time will you need, what equipment or facilities will be used, collaboration, with whom the research will be conducted, stakeholders, budget, what amounts of cost will be needed to conduct the research, legislation, does your research involve animals, have you taken appropriate legislation, ethics and confidentiality, does your research involve people, do you need ethics approval, can you get enough data, how will you keep it confidential, health and safety considerations. Number 6. Summary or statement of proposed outcomes of the research. 1 slide. Details within the slides following the overview slide may include information about theory, tools used, descriptions of experiment or design, the population or sample from which participants will be selected, location of the sample size, how the sample will be selected, surveys, questionnaires, and tests will use, how the data generated will be analyzed. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.